The door handle for the CLK is similar to previous models. However, there is an additional step because of the option keyless go. The door weather strip is removed by unclipping with a wedge and pulling down. Next, loosen the screw. After the screw has been loosened sufficiently, the lock cylinder can be removed. This can be made easier by holding the door handle open. After the connector is removed, the lock cylinder can be taken away from the car. The main part of the door handle is removed by pulling toward the rear of the car and out. And we can see that there is still one electrical connector inside. This is removed by slightly pulling on the wire to gain access to the connector and then separating the connector. When reinstalling the door handle, it's important to, first of all, connect the connector and then rotate it by pushing it in so that you have clearance to install the door handle.